Yes.
You know, the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula. You know, quadratic formula is here. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Yes or no? From where
Yeah.
this will come? I will prove it. Because prove, I will not believe to anyone. Because we
Mm.
are science students. So you know, the quadratic equation general form is here. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Yes or no? You can say that general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation. Yes or then you should take common a from x square. Then you know, and shift the other side. So x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equal to 0. Then I can write here x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equal to 0 upon a becomes 0. Yes or no? Now I will apply the completing square method. Coefficient of x is equal to b by a, b over a. Yes or no? So we can do b over a into half. So b upon 2a and do the square. So x square plus b over a into x plus b upon 2a whole square plus c upon a minus b upon 2a whole square equal to 0. Yes or no? Apply the formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So x plus b upon over 2a whole square. And do here c upon a minus b square upon 4a square. Clear? So x plus b over 2a whole square minus, and you know, b square minus 4ac upon 4a square after the LCM. Yes or no? So, you know, if this minus will shift the other side, so I can write here, you know, x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Any doubt? Because, you know, here it is the minus. When shift the right hand side, become plus. And, you know, if there is a square, become other side root under. So x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. You know, plus b upon 2a, shift the other side, you know, x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon root under 4a square, which means 2a. So I can say x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. This one is called quadratic formula. And you know, this is also called Sri Chakradhar Acharya formula, which is proved by a mathematician, ancient mathematician, which is called Sri Chakradhar. Okay. So formula x is equal to, you know, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You can also write down this is minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. You can say, sir, what is the d here? D is the b square minus 4ac. You know, D is b square minus 4ac, which is called discriminant. How can you learn? Do this like this. Dish. You know, this is the dish. And put the cream in here. Put cream. And invite to the end. Come and take the end. Take cream. So, you know, dish, cream, end. Yes or no? So, this is called discriminant. Yes or no? So discriminant is decide the solution of x is real or imaginary. So, D is the discrimination is the, determining term for the roots or solutions. If D is greater than 0, then you can say, sir, roots means solution, okay? Roots are real and unequal. Here it is the quadratic equation. So x has the two roots, either x1 comma x2, and so both should be not equal, both should be unequal. So I can say if D is greater than 0, then you can say that roots are real and unequal, and there are the two roots here. If D is less than 0, sorry, if D is equal to 0, I'm first going to write this one, then you can say, sir, roots are real but equal. Both roots are equal, means x1 and x2 both are equal in this condition. So there is only one root.
What is x1 and x2?
Yeah. And
so what is x1 and x2?
There are the two values, x equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second is x is minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Clear? If D is less than 0, then you can say roots are imaginary. Means you are unable to calculate in class 10th. And if you will go in further higher class, then you can able to calculate. But here you can say roots are imaginary. Imaginary number is there. Okay. And there is no solution. You can say zero solution. Means you can say no solution is here. No solution or zero solution. Clear? Now, example number 21. Find the exact solution to the following using the quadratic formula. A number, x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Compare this with as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Yes or no? A is 1, b equal to 5, c equal to 3. What is the formula for x? Quadratic formula? Minus b plus minus under root discriminant means b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So minus 5 plus minus under root 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 3 upon 2 into 1. So minus 5 plus minus 5 square 25 minus 12 is equal to, under root 13 upon 2a. So you can say that x has two values. First one is the minus of 5 plus root 13 upon 2. And second root is the minus 5 minus root under 13 upon 2. Yes or no? So you can say that there are the two solutions. Clear?